Pacho nyamia dumo na so.
Nyame adom bɔkɔɔ.
Okay.
Agya Sunday na edi nkɔmmɔ no yɛntimi ne nkɔmmɔ bio. Bacha me Nana Poku.
Nana Poku from.
Oh, tema me me wo preti kotokwa yi no.
Okay. Who Accra now or Kumasi?
Mo tema.
Oh, Tema.
Bacha tema.
Oh, nice one. Bacha apomu to say.
O nyama dum bɔkɔɔ.
Oh, okay. Today na ko.
Aja ma pon adwuma ba fi na me se anwumre ma me fe na aja ni nkɔmmɔ Accra. About Asante Kotoko nsensem ya. Sise kura me wo life mpo na mama from mpo yi.
Oh, sir. Oh, okay.
My life for Facebook kura.
Oh, okay. Me okay, I think say na me wo online this year na me feel.
Okay.
Nche BI.
All right.
The phone is charge na me see o. Me charge ni kakra ansana. Eje no na me digigi mani kakra.
Abane de.
We need baby akọ ntino. Why the pa? Aka nkomo bi wo ho.
Oh, say about Kotoko ya, see no MTN FA Cup yet final na me.
Yeah.
Come be me hu so adwon check Accra ho no so.
Okay. Ni jesem kese de ma Asante Kotoko.
Mbacho abinafo mene Mr. Safo na twetwe komo ardent Kotoko supporter. Also na dwon kire baby a Kotoko ya bedro MTN FA Cup final no. I didn't check Accra so fan. To me and team. Remember to me and team.
Yo Michia Kotoko supporters nyina baby biara obia wo Europe, America, Asia. Baby biara Kotoko supporters biara wo no Michia wo. Ina Michia Kotoko technical team, any management. In fact America Kenya Kotoko no Mframa bi boy na supporters nyina ema abemubu bai. Na miadum any supporters in Paibo. Any modern wap supporters Danny de nyina umboma Asante Kotoko team no. Since ya no you say team no spirit no den sign ababa. Na baby ayabedu no enye say bia it's just a fluke. No. Hard work are getting into all these things. Me can say no so no. Management. Say omo part. I was say supporters so you na e can boom na yin so ye dey. Let us all achieve together. At the end of the day, when the team win, we are also part of the team.
Yeah.
You know. You may ebia me so kakra me wo edema Asante Kotoko supporters nyina ne say yenko so na ye mompa ye matino na mo ebia ye wo bia no yemfa matim no say na be ya team no glories bia be ba no yes will be proud of it. At the end of the day no yes you winning bonus say na bi no Canada bia no yes you winning bonus say team ni be winning say ni achi into the ye mompa ye anti team nechi na me did say this ahead no the team can achieve so many
okay
and I so now me person me can be far say technical aspect no the makuma so pa e say you can say you say amfo na che
so
na ye coach Karim Zito wabe I think say papa no bibi wonimu enipa bi wonimu I think when we give him that support he's going to deliver. Because Yesi kasatinti and top on
Antoponko. Nanka remember se metwa nanka to say bianca be pressure bianca nka falling coach na there no. Nanka oda usu say nanka enyama yanka santo aso karim to nanka santo aso.
Eyo madwin mu de anka me de minya anka Karim na ento aso because one he has been in the system for so long. He has been in the system for so long. Ye can play ye can your friends coaches are and Ghana Premier League. Ushe Wahoding any the Almighty achieve among clubs, any one Casa. He is one of them. And also being a former player of Kotokono. Hey, any easy because no, or he will see himself as still a player playing for Asante Kotoko. If it is Asante Kotoko and we personally no a behano than even the players because he wants and yes or no success no, but he wants the team to be winning all the time. You want to see the team winning each game after game.
Yeah.
And you know he can also share the relationship with the current players. You know, I think say he's doing something that you know Nipani Bebri behind the scenes are Nipani Bebri aiming. And you can see say the guys are fighting for not you know or they are fighting for him.
Okay.
At the end of the day, you know, we have boys now Mujina Park and also no, you know, some of the players for some time now, no, even more no,
Pacho Mr. Safo every ahomano so economy Mr. Safo die hard Kotoko supporter pa as a fan na chinkomono ono so or ideas about Asante Kotoko ti ro na me chinkomono me fa this man what Elvis Buff but me tell me about ma me trust my ado but ma hello.
Yeah, hello.
I'm a credit science.
Oh, no problem, no problem. Meeting Akasa.
I'm passionate.
Oh, okay. Intino, a GD is a confidence. I already my players need to me to me, you know. I'm a maniaji papa because Yanshini ya you be my player there. Said you will be any power in you be Jana Manako. Na ochine bi no sa player na beba abi mi ti Asante Kotoko na wa punish. Exactly. You players be bring over. You be to me the Oma and Faso. Players ni be eba Asante Kotoko and they feel say no, they were not given the opportunity to exhibit what they have. It's you know with this direction Papa coach I think say yeah at the he's giving everybody the equal opportunity to play. At the end of the day, you know,
Okay. What you made that's so. I wish I thought with me, I follow with me, so I like what comments be between about comment section. Open so between I join me live. You know, so me try to make Adam for but you know, I'm network, you know, I'm to me Adam. Na e din come for Asante Kotoko so far no MTN Africa fan na a league no so na league no so they say so I got 4 matches na e pese league na say Kotoko had 4 position with 51 points nations e be tier for 3 points no ti usually league e bit me age league
you a team like Kotoko no it's not just a team. Kotoko have a very bright chance to win this league.
Yeah.
But why am I saying this? What the fan is Obi Chigawu Matis. No, so treat Mercedes Benz. Yawu Matis no. Or no wedding kind, the Hokumas wedding, and we're doing some. Now, the Hokumas you. What kind doing some? Now, me, I mean, Mercedes Benz, no. Because pressure me dey banu.
I'm not doing.
One share. So timing better and tear. U gasket beshi. Inti Asante Kotoko etim bia. Se udi wechia. Se udi neni no udi wechia masa. You can never see. You can never see because sorry, Udri Asante Kotoko. Asante Kotoko doesn't think about you.
Yo, no, never.
Because una office say, hey, bia, nipa no do it, na ho odin ni bibia ese ne. You know, there's this kind of tension. There's this kind of tension now. You feel say, hey, akwa no ba wo ni ho odin si we di obetu no ha assemble to me. Yes, psychologically, some of the players, that is what they will go through. I mean, the opponent. You know, it's not just easy, say, a team like Asante Kotoko, old or tower. Now, it's not easy. So, we can achieve it. We can achieve this thing by coming together as one body. I mean, the supporters. Empire will be no more. You can move on your motive. Just a shared responsibility. At the end of the day, we want only one thing. At the end of the day, say you couldn't give a dear. I hear Asante mind there. I believe say I'll tell you so I'm going to mean issues with you. Yes, it is possible.
It is possible. It is possible.
We are still fighting. It's not over until it's over. The altar no rare. It's the first now me, I still believe say it's possible. Because FA Cup, I sending a very strong signal. Ediama, all the rest of the club. Because when you look at the team playing, in fact, I said to somebody that, oh no, come on, finals in Bono. FA Cup finals, there is no any final anywhere. Because when you look at the kind of ball, guys, boy, I tell you what, they did very well. They fought. Chelsea players, they came with the mindset, and you see, they came with the mindset. And they say, all out. The ball, just say you be comfortable. You do be buga. Yeah, be ball blues. No be chow, no be team, no be hair. And they thought to say, our guys are done the coach because the coach has done really, really well.
Wow.
And me personally, I know Zito. And one hard coach, or no, when you are playing for him, or this hard the enemy piao, there's hard or the big piao. So to me, go back and say, hey, who told you can't do this thing? You can make it, you can do it. Or this hard the enemy show. For you to fight, at the end of the day, results no official. What the money pay, that's it.
But how fair you also goalkeeping department? I say goalkeeping department. Frekasare kene ene Kamara. Kamara say want to mean chibon. I say ball be I say na say no. Because I don't say I'm saying me say ball no want to mean chino at once. And also
yes, I think there is something that we all have to look at it again. Kamara no. Always one. Size, he needs to work on his weight. He's a fantastic goalkeeper. I tell you, it's difficult for you, the striker, to place the ball in the net because he has all that it takes. And I think when you look at Kamara, Frederick Asari, he needs to work extra hard. Extra hard because You know, we have all seen it. And you been a we are watching. Emra, they started league, Frederick, and they started. First, I think was it the first? Is it 4 matches or 5 matches? Or no, die.
Yeah.
Very good. And we all saw the results. So, Kamara Bede, if we had a different results, and then he kept on, you know, improving. Though nobody 1 or 2 mistakes, we became the winning side. And then it got to a point, you know, we have to bring in Asari again. And bringing Asari, I think that Asari, like I said, he needs to work. And me futu kakra said you between the Ama Kotoko management and in for and said they should start looking for options about the goalkeeping. Yes, because we need, in fact, maybe na Kotoko your friends a bookkeeping department they are say because you have a national team goalkeeper like Dalad Ibrahim.
Yeah.
You need somebody like this guy, Kwame Ba. We have somebody like this guy, even though the Kasari, he was packed.
This guy. Oh, nothing is here.
Kasari was packed.
Kasari
was packed. Then Danlad, you know, the first choice. Then Kwame and then Asari. You know, now woman a national team asset. Woman 3 a national team asset. Exactly. When you look at Felix, Abalura, you know, and you know, do baby paying for normal person would be because if you're a goalkeeper like Abalura, fantastic goalkeeper. And that guy, I don't know why even our national team hasn't even giving him the chance. I know, say, when he's given a chance, he can compete with these guys over there. Very, very confident in the pool. And he's someone who good goalkeeper be out there and organizing the defense. You make sure say you be on your toes. Or commanding, or like everything, he commands you. Because a defender can be there, they are not ref, you know.
Yeah.
Or no, he'll keep you on your toes. So, like that guy should be given a chance. Internal Kotoko says, goalkeeping department, you know, is a problem. Your goalkeepers be really, very good. Very, very good. Even Brekum Chelsea goalkeeper, I tell you what, the guy is very good.
Okay.
Yes, he's very good. Honestly, it's Unyano, as you know, Unyano team it's not bad because as we are aiming to go to Africa. We need such you know, keepers to keep your post. You need such keepers to keep your post. The guy is very good, and I think say akwenye bi wo na say mpenyimfo betimi ene na kasa na ebia wa boa Asante Kotoko. I think say is a very good idea. Because on one part so far no ipa ni bebre be di adanse guy no the performance yes. So goalkeeping department, you know, we need to, you know, because a whole day as a problem, you know, no, it's not the best.
It's not the best, and it's not the best.
It's not the best at all. You want to go and play you want to go and play in Africa. If you want to play in Africa, the whole competition is very high. High. Because you are going to play in Libya 30,000, 40,000 capacity. You need people that have the big hearts to play on that stage.
Titiri so call you one more North Africa on see na mo
Exactly. Exactly. Level of football was so far. And as I say, we be say, we crave and sana wako one crave dia. Any dia two nanu near two yenianum dia, woman koya.
Cozy.
Woman koya, woman buy and I feed you. Beach Yankasana. Would you went? Goalkeeper, goalkeeper, no demo. Ubia feels at the point, over here, they were, they say blaster material. Goes poly. That tells you the level it didn't say how do you grow we be say say your tongue kind of na your jimeku
and just to makuni
your jimeku she told you say the amani jini na the achichi mama we the jimeku no make asanka mu die no utodo kuna no bi na ye ma Utonchina man, shit on the count. I think say, management, poor mature, or share coach, I think say he can or beat me a year.
Okay, so, I can't yourself a Adakoja
all right. Yami Adma, Adakoja, the accident. Asida kesia eni kabia de ma ye nana
opimso
utumfo woda yeso a waso se asante kotoko efa ne mtumapa ifra na yini se enyoma papa ne hihye papa mpenyifo de gu na asante kotoko no ebe ba be krabe enyoma besisa
nema besisa
na enyoma besisa ewo didi wa rehim se enyoma besisa
okay Mr. Safumeda wase be share
bedawase wo emra odi amami eni baby biara obi eti efi ye do bibia na ye bo monka ye se yesho emze ye channel we yan fan say efe na ye grow ye nyina ye nkan mo go say ye say wonso
oni nipa
ai mesere say bebia obia ewa o tie mi we should also come together to make this platform or this channel a great one because ye kan ya asante kotoko asem na ye kan ya asante kotoko
sabe
mesre be biara obiawa oti me no mesre no mo bia you can support by subscribing your YouTube channel you can just go on YouTube
and subscribe
na eno so be maye yes I do no or no sorry at least or who say the American people are appreciate the American if you say we bibi no bia enka bibi anchewa na akwese na bia exactly say if you get someone encouraging you all the time so yeah, there it's going to be well, it's going to be okay, everything will be fine. Next year, also all the time we are always in Emma one holding for Emma ultimately the say Ubia Momo dia say subscribe now I share them subscribe was Asanti Kotokonibia, and Asanti Kotokonibia, Odophobia, pick football.
Sir,
At the end of the day, the benefits in a bar, Ghana. And yes, Ghana, some Nayaka. It's Messi, we say, Yin Yen Campo, Nayen, Nayen, Madame Sibi said, Ubia team was super Namayan Sama.
J'avais
Okay. All right, then. Bye.